Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today's video is on how to cancel an Ethereum transaction. So this assumes that you have a pending or stuck transaction, that maybe you didn't set the gas high enough, or all of a sudden you changed your mind. Well, it's very simple to do. You simply click on your MetaMask browser, click on activity, and then you'll see this box where you can either A, speed it up so it goes through faster, but today we want to cancel instead. So simply hit the cancel and say, let's try. Now, there will be a gas fee associated with canceling the transaction, but it's usually not that much. So, also, there's not 100% guarantee that the transaction will get canceled, but if it's stuck or you just want to clear your MetaMask out, it's worth giving it a try. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe, and be sure to check out the entire Ethereum playlist below. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.